Hey party people, tonight I'm coming at you with your first date night makeup and clothes and party vlog. If I'm sober enough. Bang bang, it's gonna be kind of smoky, it's gonna be kind of gold, going for black and gold here. The dress is black. Yeah, so I'm gonna get started. We're starting out today with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And I'm just gonna take some of that and apply it all over the face. Okay, next I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and I'm using it to prime my lids. I'm just gonna take my Born This Way ethereal powder and set the eyes. What the fuck was that? I almost said the word naked. Next I'm gonna be using a Jeffree Star's Androgyny palette for my eyes. And I'm gonna be taking shade Fetish on a fluffy brush, or the fluffy end of the Fenty Beauty brush, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. It's the other Sephora brush. Where the fuck is it? It's always like pulling a disappearing act, this like other brush. Oh wait, here it is. You greedy bitch. Wait, I saw it. Next I'm taking the packing end of the Anastasia brush and dipping it into Androgyny for the outer corner of the eye. Packing end of the Fenty Beauty brush and dip into shade Frosting for the inner corner of the lid. Then I'm taking this Sephora fluffy brush and I'm just dipping into shade Charm and buffing it out on the brow bone. Alright, now I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be back for face makeup. You have to spray glitter shit when it's wet like this. Or like when you first put it on. So it stays. Or like anything that you want to stay until the end of the night, you have to spray it right after you're done doing it. Alright, now I'm going in with a damp beauty blender and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in number 230. I'm doing a lot. Oh my god, wow. That's not gonna wash out. I'm super good at everything. Right? I can do stuff.
I feel like you're still killing it.
I'm still killing it. Under eyes and my nose, and blending it out with a beauty blender. My lips are gonna look horrible if I don't exfoliate them like right now.
Oh, I always have to exfoliate those.
Because like if you do it after foundation, you're gonna fuck up your foundation later.
That's true.
Now I'm gonna contour my face with a Sephora flush brush. Oh my god, what the fuck? Now I'm gonna contour my face with a Sephora blush brush and shade Lost Soul from the Pirates of the Caribbean contour palette. Wait, this isn't even, it's like a highlighting palette. I'm sorry, everybody. And when I contour, I'm just gonna push it in first and then buff it out upward. Okay, for highlight tonight, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe Highlighter on my cheeks and brow bone. I did this and my roommate was like, it looks real, but I know that your cheekbones don't look like that. She's like, but it really looks real. Okay, then I'm going to take a small packing brush and put this on the brow bone. Then I'm going to dip into shade Dreamer from the Norvina palette and put that on my inner corner. Powder wings are so 2007.
I fuck with it though. I love
It's horrible, dude. Have you ever seen Ashley Tisdale at like the Grammys? She was wearing like a skirt on top of jeans.
I can't. It's so fucking wild.
Next, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty Fly Liner for just a tight line here, no wing. I'm going to be curling my lashes and going in with Milk's Kush Mascara for today. Oh, that was okay. No! Stop falling everywhere!
Tell it, Victoria.
Jesus Christ. Next I'm going to be taking my eBay lashes in style Soul, and these will be the lashes for today. The London vlog when that lady was like, she was Irish step dancing in the fucking club. It was like, oh shit. I was like, oh shit. And I videotaped it. I was like on top of this grand piano videotaping it in a club. I was like, what the hell? But I just fucking I don't even know what I would do with my fucking lips.
I feel like a neutral, like pinky.
like a gloss or like a lipstick. Do you see my eyebrows are not level?
Yeah.
Well, everyone on the internet does.
You should,
But then you gotta comb your eyebrows if they're so thick that you don't even fill them in before you leave. Just brush them twice. We could turn on the TV. We could get. Oh wait, don't, because we are actually still filming. I'm gonna use 2 setting sprays tonight because I didn't come out here to play no fucking game, son.
got it.
These mink lashes are baller, dude. It feels like
Yeah,
it's my
they
real
are.
eyelashes. It feels like it's my real eyelashes. Like it doesn't even feel.
They look so light.
They are. Like even these feel lighter than drugstore lashes.
Yes.
Like. I feel like I just look like Jesus Christ superstar. Like if he like became a drag queen, I feel like I actually just look like what Jesus would look like if he was a drag queen.
I think that's the ideal. Like Jesus is a drag queen.
Alright, I gotta take this shit off.
No.
This happens every time! Oh my god.
I need another pick.
Same. Okay, to finish this look for the night, I'm gonna go in with a Revlon Color Stay lip liner, and I'm going to line the lips with this and buff it out with my finger. Next, I'm going in with a Revlon cream lipstick in shade 801 Pink Cloud. I usually like to do cream lipsticks or a gloss for an event so that just in case it gets messed up or something, you can just wipe it off and not worry about it at all. I didn't fucking do nose highlight. That's what I forgot. I totally almost played myself. Gonna fucking spritz with Morphe spray. Whoa! Alright, you guys, this is it. It's like a sequin black. I don't know if it's a slip dress or if it's considered a dress. Still.
Is it clothing?
Is it clothing? Who knows? And I'm wearing, I don't even know if anyone can see. I'm wearing gold like dangly earrings. I usually wear hoops when I go out, so whenever there's events and stuff, I use rings or I use earrings that are really long to like switch it up. To be fancy and not fancy. And to top this off, I have nude heels on. Okay, dope. So I'll see you guys at the pregame. Bye!